Thesis AI is a brand new AI software that's making waves in the industry. In this video, I'm going to cover 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know about it. If you're looking for a smart, efficient AI tool, stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll know if Thesis AI is the right fit for you. First off, Thesis AI is designed to streamline content creation and automate many of the repetitive tasks that can bog down your workflow. Whether you're a digital marketer, content creator, or entrepreneur, Thesis promises to give you a boost in productivity. But does it live up to the hype? Let's break it down. What sets Thesis AI apart from other software in the market is its versatility. It's not just for writers, it's also incredibly useful for business owners looking to automate their marketing and sales processes. It integrates multiple functions into one platform, so you don't need to juggle multiple tools. It's designed to make content creation, customer outreach, and even analytics easier. Imagine cutting your content creation time in half while also improving the quality of your work. That's Thesis AI in action. Another key feature is its ease of use. This is a platform that's designed for everyone, even if you're not particularly tech savvy. The interface is clean, intuitive, and user-friendly. No complicated training required, just jump right in and start creating, automating, or analyzing. Thesis AI also includes an impressive set of customization options. You can tailor its features to suit your unique business needs, whether it's crafting tailored marketing messages, automating your sales pipeline, or analyzing customer data to improve your content strategy. The level of personalization you get with this software is a huge advantage, especially for digital marketers looking to get a leg up on the competition. Another thing you need to know is that Thesis AI is constantly updating and improving. This software is new, and the team behind it is committed to pushing regular updates that add new features and optimize performance. For anyone who's worried about investing in something that might get left behind, Thesis AI shows a strong commitment to growth. But here's something that I personally love about Thesis AI: it's highly scalable. Whether you're a solo entrepreneur or managing a larger team, the software can grow with your needs. It's not a one-size-fits-all solution. You can adjust the features and settings to accommodate your current needs and scale up as your business grows. Of course, it wouldn't be fair to review any software without talking about its price. Thesis AI offers a great value compared to other software on the market. While it's not the cheapest, the functionality and results you get justify the cost. Plus, there's a free trial available, which you can grab using the link in the description below. This is a great opportunity to test the waters before you commit to a subscription. Now, as we wrap up, I'll let you in on a little secret. If you're serious about elevating your digital marketing game, Thesis AI is a tool worth considering. The features, ease of use, and scalability make it an ideal choice for businesses looking to automate and grow. Remember, if you want to give Thesis AI a try, you can grab your free trial from the first link below. And don't forget, I've also listed my recommended AI tools in the description. These are tools I've personally tested and vetted after trying out thousands of AI software options. Make sure to check them out, and feel free to leave any questions or comments below.